I'm a big fan of neuroscience because it just allows us to see the science behind some of the areas that other people may think are maybe a bit fluffy or a bit soft skills and not really quite hard skills and things like that. But I want to kind of explain the neuroscience behind confidence and why it's important to take this on board when you're going through the habits that I'm going to share with you today. So one of the big things to remember about our brain is that it's plastic, almost. It's plasticine, and it can be rewired due to repetitive statements that you make. So some of you may have seen lots of potential influencers out there who talk about manifestation and visualization, and some of it can be a bit out there and a bit wild for some of us. But it's important to remember there is some science behind what they're saying. And if you say something enough to yourself, your brain will rewire you to believe that. So one of the examples I always give is when you're looking for a new car, for example, and you haven't seen this car anywhere else on the road, but you start doing research on this black Volvo or Tesla or whatever you're looking for, then all you ever see when you're going outside is that car. That's because your brain has tuned into looking for that information. The same happens when you are talking about your skills and your experience. So if you say to yourself, I'm not very good at public speaking and get very nervous at public speaking, I'm not good at public speaking, all you'll ever see is evidence to demonstrate that you're not good at public speaking, because your brain filters out the noise around you to show you that actually what you're saying is true, because I can show you evidence on that. Whereas when you rewire it and say, I'm learning to be a better public speaker, I'm learning to be a better public speaker, things will start shifting for you in your brain, and your brain will start showing you evidence to demonstrate that you're learning and you're getting better at that. So when you practice a habit like speaking up or setting boundaries, you're basically creating a new neural pathway in your brain to remind you of your strength.